Does your door lock spin but not open? You turn the key or handle and nothing happens. As you can see here, when I rotate the lock, it slips internally and doesn't engage the latch. Don't replace the whole lock yet. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a slipping door lock step by step, using only an L key. Use your L key to remove the screw from the lock spindle, and then carefully pull the lock handle so that it slides out, and the lock spindle is visible. Here's the main issue. You can see the spindle/cam isn't gripping properly, which causes the lock to slip when rotated. I'm tightening the loose screw here. If yours is worn out, replace it with a new one. It's cheap and easy to find. And that's it! You just fixed a slipping door lock without replacing it. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more DIY repair videos. Thanks for watching.